left on Wadia Road toward North Carolina 28 South, then turn right onto North Carolina 28 South.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I know it's been a while. I've been sitting on these videos for a long time. This trip to the tail of the Dragon in North Carolina was about a year ago, and I'm slowly getting into the habit of bringing my cameras and trying to make something, at least, get some shots, have some memories. To be honest, I had like over an hour or two of footage from this trip. Some of these things are not even stitched together right, but at least, I figure I put it out there. And when I was doing the video, the one thing, as you see, I just wanted to, like, part of me just wanted to do like straight up like action shots and motorcycle shots and stuff like that. But I ended up busting out the camera and getting some candid shots of my friends that I was up there with. And honestly, this is the best part of the trip. You could take a trip anywhere and it's gonna be good, but it's the company that you keep and the people that you go with that make a difference. Again, this trip to North Carolina was great. We ended up doing the Tail of the Dragon. We ended up doing the Moonshiner and riding around town. I took the Indian Scout. That's my only motorcycle at the moment, and it held up pretty good. It's been almost a decade now, and it's brand new. I haven't put a lot of miles on it. The trip was mainly just to do the tail and just spend some time together. But honestly, there's not even a whole lot of shots of the tail here, if I remember correctly. When I was editing this, I was just trying to hang on and not die. But the part that stands out to me the most, it's Moonshiner 28. And I would say it's just as good as the tail. Like the tail is challenging, and that's where a lot of people go, to test their cars and their motorcycles and their abilities and stuff like that. But to me, it's especially being my first time, it's a little bit stressful. But I don't know if it was on the Tail of the Dragon, but I think I almost ate it into a rock face, and luckily, nothing happened. Yeah, if you are, you have to ride your own ride. If you're trying to do too much, you could get hurt. In contrast, Moonshiner 28 is super chill, great views, great curves, a little bit slower pace, and not as aggressive. I think it depends what you're into or what you want to do, but you should do both of them and get the experience on both of them. And then having some time, I think we were there for like 4 or 5 days. We did some exploring in town and did some sightseeing, got to see some waterfalls, got to see angles, got some fried chicken, like all the stuff that you should be doing up there. Anyways, thank you for watching and staying this long. I will have the next one out way earlier than however long it took me to make a second video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, all those good things. Peace out.
There's falls much closer. Wow, he blended in. That's where I was looking. Yo, 0.2 miles vertical might be harder than 0.8 miles straight.